Welcome back. Today I'm going to share some assets you can invest in to start generating some cash flow. But what is an asset? Simply put, an asset is something that generates cash flow for you, puts money in your pocket. Whereas on the other hand, you have liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. As ever, please leave a comment below. We'd really like to hear your feedback on some of these assets and some that you might have yourself. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's boost those algos and you can stay in touch when the new videos are coming out. So let's go. Alright, so we have dividend stocks. Now this is a personal favourite of mine, so much so that I did another video on this. Dividend stocks are a great way to generate cash flow over a 3 to 6 months period depending on the payout terms. Some of the biggest companies in the world pay out dividends, so the risk here can be quite lower than other assets. Companies such as Apple, Microsoft, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Nike, Pepsi all pay dividends and they are all titans of industry. There's a great way to be able to get a monthly paycheck from dividends as well. Check out the other video on this for more information. You can start investing in these stocks with apps such as Freetrade, Orca and Stake. I've left my referral links below for these if you're interested, where you can earn up to £200 in free shares. So next we have REITs. A REIT, or a real estate investment trust, are companies that invest or finance real estate assets. You can invest in REITs across multiple backgrounds of real estate. Housing, shopping, hospitality, you name it. The real difference here and why you might want to consider a REIT is the initial investment required. Buying a rental property is not cheap and it can cost you a lot of money in deposit alone. So a REIT can be a much cheaper way of getting into real estate and making some income. As they're publicly traded companies, you can invest in them via the stock market. Again, use the links for Freetrade, Orca or Stake below. So third we have crypto miners. I recently bought a crypto miner for about £300 and it's currently mining about £25 to £30 worth of Helium tokens per month at current token value. So I personally really like the idea of the Helium network and I believe that there's a big part of this crypto can play in the future. At current token value, it would take me about 9 to 12 months to pay off the miner. However, if the token goes back to all-time highs or above, it could take between 6 to 9 months to pay off. After that, it's pure profit. So this for me is a great passive income asset and it costs about £5 per year to run, so it's cheap. If you are interested, I would consider doing your research now and looking to get one as soon as possible. Waiting time is about 6 to 9 months if you order now, or if you buy from a scalper on eBay, you're looking at 3 to 4 times markup, so you could easily be paying anywhere near £1,500 for a miner. So sticking with crypto, next we have the Crypto.com card. So my Crypto.com card pays for my Spotify premium for free every single month. As well as that, I get 2% cash back in their native token, CRO. Now yes, crypto is speculative, but if you see how much Crypto.com has grown and how much money they're investing into their brand, I believe it's going to be a big part of the future. Be it celebrity endorsements from Matt Damon or buying the Staples Center in Los Angeles, you can see there's a real push by Crypto.com for mass adoption. Now, you do need to invest and lock up £300 worth of CRO tokens to apply for the card. And it normally takes about 6 months for them to issue the card to you. I got mine in 6 weeks though. So this is a long-term investment if you believe in Crypto.com and crypto in general. You can also get the free card with them, which pays you back 1% in their native token CRO, but you won't get any additional benefits such as the free Spotify premium or Netflix. If you are interested, I've left in my referral link below so you can get $25 free CRO tokens once you apply for the Ruby card. So next we have bonds. There's a lot of places where you can acquire bonds. However, we're going to focus on NS&I. NS&I on average yield is about 1% and they max out at £50,000 investments. They also have monthly prize draws where you can win up to £1 million. Not bad, right? Low risk and tax-free returns. What's there not to love? Getting your money back is fairly straightforward as well, so there's no fear about losing your investment. Now lastly, we have probably the most important asset. You. You are your most important and most valuable asset for making money, and you probably haven't realised that yet. We all have passions and skills, and what you do with them is what defines you. A skill in the right hand and right mind is an amazing thing. If you speak multiple languages, why not sign up to Fiverr and do translations? Once you see the skills that you have that can make you an asset, nothing's stopping you going far. Hopefully this video has opened your eyes on how you can start generating some cash flow with some assets. Again, do you only need these? or do you have different ones that you own? I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below. Stay safe and remember, get your money working for you. Jazz out.